Alright, let's talk about the final step to getting more viewers on your videos. The call to action, or CTA. So many creators get this wrong. They'll spend minutes making an amazing video, and then at the end, they just go, "Please like, comment, and subscribe." It feels a little desperate, right? And it doesn't really work. Instead of begging, think of it as an invitation. Make it natural and part of the conversation. For example, if you just shared a great tip, you could say, "If you found this helpful, hit that like button so I know to make more videos like this." Or, if your video is part of a series, try something like, "We're diving deeper into this next week, so subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss part 2. See the difference? You're not just asking for a click, you're giving them a reason to engage. It's an invitation to join your community. Give it a try and watch your engagement grow. For more quick tips just like this one, make sure you're subscribed. See you in the next one.